for it and how to maximize it. So I'm going to be taking you through a wrap of theoretical framework, and I will pinpoint some of those platforms. And if you are interested, you let me know which area will you be concentrating in. Now, to my own, I summarize what personal economy is all about. Yesterday I was live on Facebook and I told us about the personal economy and correlating to when people are in the offices or maybe even the religious body and they do not have personal thing or personal goal, but they can be very good corporately. They will accomplish goal for the corporate organizations, but unfortunately their personal life and personal goal will be swept under the carpet. We suffer, okay? And in summary, I say, what is personal economy? Personal economy is about life. So when you talk about personal economy, that's your life as a person. And what your lives are embodied are freedom, good diet, and good rest. These are the three major things that your lives were embodied. So, but unfortunately, we do not understand what life is all about. And so that's why personal economy is underrated. Of course, it's a created understanding of my own that I sat down and looked how people actually molder their life by themselves and turn to a living corpse in pursuit of corporate goal and of course to be accepted. Okay, so why I have to start with this because what I'm putting together is crazy. How to approach this. So this is your life. So freedom, good diet, and rest. And this actually require money. But this money is not necessarily the physical money you think. So, but in the quest of money, these are being destroyed. For instance, let me go to, I will divert a little. We'll talk to something about carbon credit and issue of green, all right, green energy in the world today. In the quest of socialization and expansion and globalization, we have destroyed the natural element that will sustain our, is it oxygen or nitrogen or whatever? And so, but we're actually talking of, we are globalizing, we are urbanizing, but in the process of urbanizing and globalizing, the natural things God created for us as our life are being tampered with. So that's where we have natural disaster, natural diseases, crazy, all manner of diseases that were not available before because all the natural habitat actually protected. That should be a topic for another day. It's another area you would diversify into called investment. We call it the carbon credit. I'm actually working currently with a company, greenhouse, whatever. And the CEO, amazingly, is doing a lot of things. And this is actually burning out. It's a burnout of Africa project. So on climate action. So we call it green investors. So it's a green investor leveraging on carbon credit. So from climate action and sustainable liquidity, high and quick returns in real estate investment. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you too, over time, things are put together. I'll show you how to invest in liquid real estate. What you are always investing in is what we call illiquid real estate. Go and ask from your bank if bank actually still support, real estate. So, but what is coming out is born out of, in-depth thinking and what we call. There's a man that I have as a friend called about future technology. Okay, so we're going to be talking about, green real estate that you are going to look at. So Green City Africa is a project pioneered by Green City Africa. So I'm going to be talking about that. So now, what is social capital? Social capital is your relationship, leverage, and connectivity. So your social capital has to do with what we call connected economy, okay? So you can say the other words for social capital is what? Connected economy. Social capital or what? Connected economy. Okay, so your relationship, leverage, and of course, connectivity. So the power of leverage cannot be overemphasized. It's crazy. So I'm going to be showing you how to create leverage because just like a popular author said about, instead of putting my 100% energy, I will put my 1% and leverage on 100 people. I will still achieve 100% with less stress. So That's where you understand the power of social capital. And so I created something called social capital market. So social capital market, which is access to what money cannot buy. So, or what your personal money can actually not buy. Because sometimes when you think that I have money to buy everything I need, you're actually not wealthy. Okay. So the how to build personal economy leveraging on financial market. So how to maximize your social capital leveraging on Internet of Things and blockchain technology. Have you seen it now? So approach to financial market in building personal economy. So what is capital financial market? That is a place, call it market. It's just a market. A place for negotiating exchange of values. All right. So we now have different capital financial market. So it's a place of negotiating exchange of value. So if that is the case, financial market, what involves exchange of resources, money, value, and all of that is called the financial market. So financial market is big enough to have a lot of things. So what approach are you supposed to be putting into this market? We call it investing. So what is investing? So investing is typically one of the major things that investing is measured by time. So time duration. Okay. So what defines an investment is a time duration. And the whole essence of it is that to put in resources or time or what value worth into a place in anticipation of better tomorrow. That's an investing. So what you anticipate for better tomorrow, and that's why you are putting an investment in a place. So now the investment could be what we call short, all right, mid, and long. So we have short, mid, and long. Now, what you consider to be short should be average of 6 months. Average of 6 months. Mid should average of 1 to 3 years. And long term should be 10 years and above. Have you seen it now? So you have short term, at least average of 6 months, maybe 6 to 1 year. So we have the mid term, 1 year to about 3 years, or to even 5 years. That's the medium term. And long term should be from 10 years and above. That would be a long term. So if that's the case, when you are investing, you should have this perspective that that's why you are investing, and that's how it works. Now, the second approach is called trading. So this has to do more of buy low and sell high. The average is that to be able to arbitrage. Okay, trading is more of arbitraging. That's to create a margin from the buying or cost price and the selling price. So you can talk it about arbitraging. To ascertain margin. Okay, so this can be few moment, daily, weekly, and all of that. Okay, so we're going to talk about that. Then how do I now get into investing? We have what we call manual investing and automated investing. So there are futures, there are tools I'm using for investment. And so if you want to learn more about it, of course, you have to come into Plan B, even the general group. But I'm going to show you one or two on the investing. So manual investing and automated investing. And then we have manual trading and automated trading. So what it has to do with manual, you are going to be engaging. But listen, both the manual and automated investing require basic skills. So both investing or manual investing and automated require basic skills. So skills like what? To have an idea. So that will make you to have a preference. Okay, so that will make you to have preference of what you want to invest in, just basic skills. And so when we talk about manual investing, you need what? Basic skills. Okay, basic skills and information. Basic skills, let's say basic skills navigations are okay. So basic skills and information. All right. Now, so manual investing require basic skills and informations, and automated equally requires that. So both requires that. Now, but manual will now require you to put more in-depth research methodology. Okay, irrespective of the type of investment you want to do, you need in-depth research methodology, which could be meeting with consultant or at least develop skills and understanding, because we have what we call decentralized knowledge today. So knowledge is not accounted to just one person. There's no perfect monopoly of knowledge any longer. It's highly decentralized. So what would deny you access to real knowledge in the financial industry is laziness and lack of interest to put in the required skills to learn how to go about it. So manual investing, all right? Manual investing and automated investing. So you now ask me, what is manual investing? Manual investing using a case study of crypto. Let me quickly go to a platform so that I need to be going side by side with all this. Oh, wow, fantastic. Our trade is going on well. Okay, this guy is retracing. Where's my Euro SND? You're struggling. Okay, so yeah. Where's Bunk? Bunk to you are retracing. Okay, you're still going to continue. So now let me show you guys an example. So manual investing. So manual investing in crypto, for instance, it has to do with buying into asset, right? For a time being, all right? And then allow it to run. Let me show you practical example. So manual investing, it's you buy, you are involved, you understand the movement, and then you understand probably monitoring. So it's going to require you proper monitoring, okay? So it's going to require you proper monitoring. So using a case study of, let's say, Bitcoin. So use a case study of Bitcoin. So let me quickly look at Bitcoin. So this is Bitcoin, for instance. So manual investing requires you to be involved. Okay, look at it now. This is Bitcoin, right? Now, we said investing can be for 6 months, all right? Right? Short-term investing can be for 6 months to 1 year. So let's look at it now. We're in month of August 2024. Look at Bitcoin have a cycle. This is a cycle of Bitcoin, right? Now, so let me go monthly so that you can see far back, or not even monthly. So it's okay. This should be okay. This should be okay, right? Let me go this way. Let me just search for Bitcoin index. Bitcoin index. Okay, so let me go for Bitcoin index. Fantastic. So now this is what I want you guys to see. Okay, so this is Bitcoin index, for instance. Now, looking at this, as an investor, I need basic knowledge and information, how Bitcoin actually works, all right? And other crypto asset or stock. So investing is not only to one thing. Now, this is Bitcoin, for instance. If you check, this is 2016, all right? So this is 2011, this is 2013, and all of that. So as an investor, see what I want to check. As an investor, look at it. In 2011, I just want to understand how Bitcoin works. And then, so Bitcoin works in cycle, for instance, 4 years. So you can say, I can invest in Bitcoin for short and medium term. So if that's the case, I need to understand time and season, like the children of Issachar. So that means in 2011 was like a bottom of the Bitcoin movement. So if I take this chart now, look at it, for instance, let me take here. I just want to paraphrase what you understand by investing. So Bitcoin was here, or irrespective of where I come to be. So Bitcoin here, this is the optimum, for instance. Now in the optimum, let's look at it. How many, okay, this was a big time. How many percent was this for Bitcoin? This is about 16,000% for Bitcoin, and which covers from the month of February 2012 to, let's say, month of March 2014. Good. That's about 2 years. Oh, that's about 2 years. So that's about what? That's a medium term investing. So it ranges from the short term to medium term. So within this period will have been the best time for me to have invested. And of course, if I want to harvest. Now, this is the point. Okay, so now this is an investment period for this asset. I'm just trying to be critical with you. Now, this is manual investing. I bought it. Now, another thing is, look at it here. There was another time, opportunity time. Bitcoin here, there was 2015. So another person is investing, or let's say even 2016, investing in Bitcoin up until this point, or you didn't even opt out, let's say waiting to this point, 2018, okay? So let's say 2018. That take about how many days? This is how many percent? 2,232% profit, right? Now, that took from what time? That took from May 9, 2016 to what? Monday, July 16, 2018. So 2016 to 20, that's another 2 years. That's a medium time investment. That was very lovely, right? Okay, that is investment. I buy this asset and hold it. But I need to understand time and what? And season. Then you find another time here, possibly 2020 during COVID-19 or even 2019. Okay, there's an investment. Now look at it. This is a trauma here. Now, I've invested in Bitcoin at this point and trying to see I'm going to enjoy profit, but unfortunately it didn't happen on time. So let's say this investment took me longer time. I have 1,175% return, for instance, and this took from 2019 April to 2022 March. 2019, 2020, 2021, that's about 3 to 4 years. That's the midterm. Now look at, I'm trying to arrive at something. At this point, even your entry here, you are now negative here because you bought here and it was going well before. Look at it. Look at it. It was going well. You're already 200%. Fortunately, what happened? It came down and you are negative. Oh, what's happening? My investment. That's investment for you. You can go below your equity and over time recover and give you your equity at a level of profit. That's an investment. So that's about 2-3 years investment. Now, another opportunity came. This is it. Another opportunity came, and then you bought into the same crypto in 2022. So let's say December, or you were, because December period, maybe you might not be investing in January 2023. That was last year. And then you have bought into crypto again, Bitcoin, and there you are. You are still seated on 263%. Okay, let's see here. You are still on around 200%. Last year, January, February, to this year, January, February, you are still on 200%. All right? And the market is still doing what it's doing. Perhaps as an investor. Does it really matter? No. That's what we mean by investment. So I take another thing. Let me take a stock. Let me take local stock. Or there was a time I asked people to buy, okay, Meta. Let's look at Facebook. Okay, let's look at Facebook, Meta platform. So let's look at Facebook. Now, this is another investment, okay? This is capital market. And so in capital market, we have stocks, that's equities. We have stock, equities, money markets, bonds, and all the like. So I take stock most of the time. Now, here is it. I just need to have knowledge and basic understanding. Some people have invested in this stock many, many years and was not doing well. But fortunately, after some years, it did massively well, right? Now, look at it. This same stock in 2012, this stock was worth $41, okay? Now, it came down, crashed to about $18 thereabout. Now, another person has bought into it now. This is 2013 and is still holding on to it up to this point. That's from which price? Let's look at it. So this person have bought into it here. I'm trying to expand our horizon, perspective, to understand what investing is all about. So in about how many years? 2013 to 2024, you are having about 1,900%. Now look at it. So the difference between this guy, the difference between this stock market and other market is the fact that as you have invested, you are going to be giving something like bonus, dividend, and not like. So that's a long-term investment. So 2013, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So you have invested, but sometimes too, you can invest in wrong asset. So you understand that. So, but these, apart from, so let's say your total investment that time was $500, and there you have 1,900% after how many years? So $500, so 1,900% is 19x. So $500, okay, multiplied by 19, 19. That gives you about $9,500. But you'll have been earning some dividend, bonuses, and all of that. It all depends on what to do. So that's an investment. Okay, I've just opened our understanding to understand investment and all of that. Now, if you're investing into like commodity market and precious metals, physically buying them. So let's look at gold, for instance. So looking at gold, XAU. So looking at gold, and maybe you bought 1 ounce of gold and all of that. So let's look at gold, as it were, gold spot. Okay, so let's look at gold. Okay, this is fantastic, right? So look at gold. Many, many years, but of course, that's as long as many big asset as it were. Okay, so let's look back on gold. Come on. What? So now let's look at it. This is, which year is this? 2000, this is year 2001. Millennium. Oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God. If you understand investment, this year 2001, 1 ounce of gold cost you $258. All right? And that same gold was kept. Have you seen it now? That same gold was kept when it first did the all-time high at 1,900 and something. You were not perturbed. It came down, retraced, and all of that. And now it's seated at 2,400. So 180 something or give and take. So this is good. I'm just practically now as a backup for your fund as an investment. So an investor, you just do this is a manual investment. So investing in capital market, forex market, and all of that. Some person may think that it's very difficult to invest in forex market. I'm going to be teaching you a lot of things that you understand why you need to stay up to understand that no market cannot be invested into. But if you lack understanding, that will put you behind and deny you fantastic access or interest to all of those things. So this is an investment. Okay, look at Euro USD. Let me tell you how I invest in currency market. Now, there are some persons now, so in currency market, so talk about bond, money market and all of that, like when you have fixed deposit and all the like. So there's Euro bond, so I'm not going to go detail about this. You want more knowledge about all this financial market, probably you have to enroll into Plan B. I think we're going to be doing some education about what is capital market and how to maximize it and all of that. So, but now looking at it, so this is Euro USD, all right? That means Euro was gaining momentum over USD at a point. This is 2021, all right? Was going very high, right? Now, if you have understanding of the market's indices, all right, and you say, okay, instead of me holding Euro, I will push my money, I can convert my money and put it in dollar, or just buy it and hold it, or perhaps engage it in other maybe money market like fixed deposit account and all the like in dollar. You just swap your Euro back to dollar, and so I want to hold only dollar. So as this guy is losing strength, you are having more money. So when you convert, you're going to make more money. That's an investment. So we have diverse method or strategy of investing into the market. So now going further from that, all this I just explained, just like you are holding, all right? Then in the process of stock market, for instance, let me check an example if I could find. worth.ng. I think I used to use one account for experiment, worth.ng. Excuse me, let me just quickly go there. Worth.ng, worth.ng. Let's look at it, worth.ng. Even if you are in Nigeria, for instance, for stock market, there are a lot of platforms I use for my capital markets, which is the equity and all of that. So worth.ng. So I'm going to log in and show you example. Okay, so this is a platform, for instance, to invest in stocks and all the like. Just a moment, I need to log in and show you how I'm arriving somewhere. So pay attention and learn very well, because I listen to a lot of people, they complain nothing is working. And can I tell you one thing? One of the biggest problems we have now in the world is the problem of trust. So when money is involved, the level of trust are porous these days. So a lot of us get disappointed and you don't know how to go about your investment because people have disappointed you and all of that. That doesn't really matter. You can do a whole lot of things. Okay, so let me use an example. Okay, so now let me show you guys something. Let's go quickly share with you now. Like if you're in Nigeria, you complain and all of that. You don't need to give your money to anybody. Now look at it. This is a platform, for instance. Do you see something here? Okay, look at it. Look at it here. What is this? Dividend. May 2024, December 2023, December 2023. What do you see? MTN. So that means this account have 20 units of MTN and it was paid 111 naira as like dividend. You understand? Now, GTC. So December dividend was paid 30 naira. Come on, can you see that? The same GTC, right? How much is this naira? I'm just doing an experiment for you. This was December 21st of December 2023. May again, another dividend was declared. How much was this in December? 30 naira. Now in January, in May 2024, 162 naira as dividend, right? So I'm just trying to show you guys some things. Now let's go back here again. Look at GTC, May 2020, May 14, 2020, 2023, GTC 60 units, 168 naira. This dividend, all right, 20 unit, 200 naira. Can you see that? Depending on how they do well, up to. So GTCO, 18 naira. Okay, MTN, 112 naira. Boa Cement, 104 naira. Okay, MTN again, dividend, okay, 171 naira. Okay, I'm just trying to show you what investment mean. This is, okay, 2022 dividend, 162 naira. Okay, Guinness, reversal, all of this. Okay, complete reversal, blah, blah, blah. Okay, blah, blah, blah. Dividend, 18 naira. Okay, sell. This is this 120 unit. Okay. What's this? Dividend, 91 naira. Dividend. This is 2021, guys. 2021. Okay. This is 2020. Okay. Let's look at it. Okay. This was a kind of deposit. Now, I'm trying to arrive at somewhere for you to see how, when we talk about investing. Now, this is a stock market. That's a capital market on equity. Now, the same thing looking at crypto, I say you can buy and hold. Let me quickly open something. We go swap. I'm going to show you want to be part of these things. You can make a lot of money lifting not your hands, and then you'll be better off than all of those things. So now investing, buy and hold. Then you have other investing. I'm just paraphrasing to see for you guys to see. Now, this is Wigo swap, for instance. This is Wigo. Now, if you come back here, let me see if I can just connect this wallet. And let me connect to this guy. I'll show you guys something. Okay. Okay. Wigo. I think I need to change to FTM or something. Come on. Don't waste our time. Come on. Okay, so let's just go if I can find. So you see, this is a farm, Wigo farm. Okay, good. I love this. Okay. Now, let me show you guys something. Look at this now. Look at this. Look at this. Now, this term token, Wigo, can be bought and just hold. We've done that. We have seen profit. And this can be bought and hold. But look at it. Instead of buying and just holding it, you can buy this token, Wigo, and buy FTM, and lump them together into a farm. That's you are providing liquidity, and they are paying you average of about 15 to 30 something to 40% because it actually fluctuates every year, right? Now, if they are paying you 30% every year on the Wigo you bought, okay? You bought that same volume of Wigo and they are paying you average of this percentage in a year, okay? So what it means is this. The volume you bought is growing and yet they are giving you accrual. Assuming you bought worth of 100,000 Wigo, and I will show you example. Last year, October, you bought 100,000 volume of Wigo. Let me quickly show you, and then you are going to see an example. Okay, guy, are you still going well? Bonk is going well. Good, good, good. That's a good boy. Okay, so now let me quickly show you guys something very quickly so that you understand investing in crypto is sweet or investment as a whole. You just need to have the right knowledge. So what's this called? CoinGecko. Just want to show you guys. Will it be here or another place? Okay. CoinGecko. Come on, come on, come on. Was it here? Or is it here? Let's go here first and check. I just want to show you guys something. So investing time, and so what do I say you need? Basic skills and information. So manual investing is what we're just checking out. You buy into the asset, you hold it, and then some you can get reward, right? For the growth, you get accrual, reward bonuses and all the like. What's going on? Okay, good. Come on, come on, come on, come on. So let it just come up. Try to open this portal. Okay. So let me go to portfolio and show you guys something. So go to portfolio. Now, just buying this coin, for instance, just buying this coin, that's an investing. Just buying this coin and hold since last year, October, not investing it now. Just buy and hold, not just investing it, or not second type of investment, because buy and hold is as long as you just hold it and for speculations, and then when it go up, you sell. Okay, so now let's go. Look at Wigo here. Here is Wigo. Let it come up. Okay, good and fine. Fantastic. So see Wigo here. What do you see? Wigo and $1,800, right? So let's look at the transaction. Let's look at the transaction. I'm just trying to paraphrase and show you guys something. And when I talk about investing, we have so many ways of investing in the financial market and in different financial market, being in the capital market, being in the crypto, in the forex market, being in the commodity market, derivatives market, and all the like. You have different style of investing, which are manual. Then you come to the automated or semi-automated investing. Okay, so now let's go. Let's come up and I want you something to tell you this. And so now listen. Are all the investment I put my money into going to be successful? The answer is no. The answer is no. Not let anyone deceive you. Oh, this our investment. It's not like those one you did before that failed. Any investment can fail, ladies and gentlemen. Understand? But I'm not talking, if I'm talking of investment, I'm not talking of those Ponzi scheme. Now let's look at it. This is manual investing, right? At what price was this token bought? In October, look at October 3rd, 2023. This token was bought at 0.001, right? It was bought at 0.001. And how many quantity was bought? Just 100,000 pieces. And now, what was the total cost? $100. What is the total worth now? $1,827. Last week, it was $2,400. For you to understand the difference between investing and trading. So I'm arriving somewhere. Now, what is the profit? What is the profit and loss? The total profit for asset now is $1,726. Now, I'm arriving somewhere. Total volume of the token you bought that last year was 100,000, okay? And what you did was you put in the farming, and they're going to pay 30% of that in a year. And so that this thing where some of us had invested since 2022 of this thing, 2023, 2024. So about 2-3 years ago, we have invested and bought the coin. And so assuming you put in the farming and get 30%. Now let's take 100,000. 30, there's not too much English. 30% of 100,000 is 30,000. So now this is August. Very soon to be 1 year to make it that's to say you have an average of 30,000 of that token. That gives you 30,000 pieces, which is 30%. 30,000 pieces of this token will be how much right now? You can just calculate it to say 30% of this. 30% of this. So 30% of $1,800 will be how much? So let's look at it. Remember, it's not the dollar they are giving you, it's the token. And so I'm just calculating based on the current price. So $1,800 multiplied by 0.3, that's about $540 worth if you are selling it right now. Now, how much was your investment? $100. Now, listen, from your accrual, it has covered the money you spent in buying the token. Now, that is one side. Then the same way, if the token has gone down, of course, your investment will be looking like rubbish. Now, this is the thing I want to pass across. If you are investing, always define the purpose of the investment so that you don't waste probably your accrual, so you can maximize it. Okay? So that is manual investing. I just try to cite so many types and strategy of investing, and because I'm arriving somewhere and I need to close this training as fast as possible. So we have style or pattern of investing into the financial market. Okay? We have different stride, and that's why I call it the approach. So you need to understand the approach for investing in the financial market, being in the, where's this one? Being in the crypto market, the capital market, and all the like. So I need to open it very quickly. Or is it? Too much loads. Okay, so that's for now. The question we need to ask ourselves now. So, manual investing into cryptocurrency, into stock market, into forex, and all of that. So say, do you invest in forex? I just show you an example. Another investment in forex is how. I was telling so many persons last 2-3 years or so that the exchange rate of naira to dollar is going to go to 1,000 naira. That's information, right? And you've had the right key. What do? You can open a DOM account there and then buy as much as dollar as you want and keep it there. As much as you want, you keep it in your DOM account. A good thing today, we have virtual account. I have different virtual accounts I use for transaction, so I can buy and keep there. And if you don't want to do that, you can just buy USDT. It's still dollar. You buy USDT, and then go and open a wallet, maybe Trust Wallet or whatever, and keep your USDT there. When the exchange rate was 300 or 400 or 500 naira to a dollar, and you buy maybe 100 or 10 million naira worth of USDT, and you keep, or let's say $10,000 worth of USDT. So let's look at it. If you do that, that was when exchange rate was as that low. So if you do that, let's look at it. You look for, you buy $10,000 worth of USDT at 500 naira per dollar. So that means $10,000 multiplied by 500. Okay? So you spend how much? 5 million naira. Am I correct? This is 1, 2, 3. Here, you spend 5 million naira to get $10,000 worth of USDT. So let's say, what's the exchange rate now? Let's say it's $1,600. I don't know. So, but let me check. Let's quickly check that if we can achieve that. Let's look at it. These are practical things, and when people come around, they always want to I want to get it now and all of that, even when you are trying to put them through. So I wouldn't know. Okay, I quickly could just check on my phone. Go to Bybit. I'm going to check because this guy is getting slow. Okay. So let's go. Let's look at it. Yeah, okay. This is serious. $1,600 thereabout for exchange rate, even though it has come down. Okay, 1,590 or so. So let's say the 1,600 thereabout. So $1,600, 1,600 naira multiplied by 10,000. That will be how much? So 1,600 multiplied by, that will give you how much? That will give you 16 million naira. That will give you 16 million naira. Yes, you heard me right. You are not trading, you are not, you are not even. And now, funny enough, if you go to Binance or somewhere, whatever, you can stake that USDT for accrual in a year. If you go to Binance, you can stake that USDT on your Binance. It can be staked maybe for 10% a year, and you have kept this thing for 2 years. So 10% of 10,000 should be 1,000. And oh, yeah, that should be 1,000. And you have kept for 2 years, you have $2,000. So your $2,000 multiplied by 16, 1,600, thereabout. Can you see now? Come on. When I tell us that if you are not in the digital space or ready to learn and unlearn and relearn, you'll be missing a lot of things, because what you don't know is your elder brother. So $2,000 multiplied by 1,600 naira, that'll give you 3.2 million. So let's call it 2 million. Let's call it 3 million. That'll give you about 3 million naira. Now, how much do you spend? You spend just about 5 million naira to acquire the whole 10,000. That's another investing. So what are the merit and demerit of, okay, so automated. So now looking at automated. So automated investing, automated trading, and all of that. Now, what is automated investing? Automated investing are like different segment where you can put in your money, and they may be engaging in 1 or 2 transactions, and then you are getting some accrual. For instance, the easiest way I can explain it now, let me use Forex and use crypto. Now, automated investing can be maybe engaging a bot, all right? Like we use what we call expert advisor for Forex and expert advisor for crypto, and then you keep your USDT in your wallet and then engage the bot to be trading. That is an investment, and you want to keep for a long time. Now we have automated trading with it, like on OKES, we have what we call portfolio that you can assign some coin and keep there, or you can do what we call DCA to be buying more for you when the market go down. It's an investing strategy. And then over the years, you still sell it at a high price. And that's automated investing. And in the Forex, the same thing. I'm going to show you different platforms you can use for this. I just want to open our mind to understand all of those concepts. Then, automated trading, of course, we have manual trading. What's manual trading? You learn how to trade, buy low, sell high, or you learn how to do normal, conventional, maybe future trading in the case of crypto, Forex, and all the like. Okay? You learn how to do all of those, and then you buy low to sell high, you buy low to sell high, even the crypto, Bitcoin, you buy low to sell high, and all the like. So they are manual Ooh, a little to touch. Okay, so we have the manual in that order. Okay. So we have manual. Okay, we have manual. We have manual and we have, so let me go back now to like lower time frame. So let's go back to daily time frame and all of that. That's where now you definitely need to now learn basic skills and of course know how to navigate and follow the necessary procedure for trading. So buy low to sell high, all right? And then just learn all of those basic strategy. And then what we're achieving there is that you are buying to sell at some shorter time. So trading can be in a day trading, or you can do a day trading. Okay, you can do a day trading. You can do a day trading. You can do swing trade. You can do position trading and all the like. So they are all trading. Okay, they are all what? They are all trading. So for instance, I can come in a day, I check which market is this. That you need to learn basics too. So all of those things require you to understand basics and not just guesswork. Okay, so okay. So there's a need for you to learn, those basics of how the market moves, the liquidity, who is not liquidity, how to identify. All of those things are just to basically know how to maximize the space. And so you have trading, and this can be manual. You go, that is Forex or crypto you want to trade, and then you identify entry point and exit point for your trading and all the like. And those are aspects of trading. So we make a lot of money doing that too, but we separate what we want to achieve per time. So for instance, I can come in a day and check what's the market saying, and then I look at where to find an entry. And I think, okay, we did that. For instance, okay, yeah, something like that. So that's for trading, okay, for manual trading, identify an entry point, an exit point, and all the like. Wow, this guy. So identify an entry point, an exit point, and trade up and trade down and all the like. So we have different style of trading. And the whole idea is that buy low, sell high, or follow the market up and down. And then so you have contract trading, which is like future trading, and you have the spot trading, which is not necessarily contractual. So you are buying the whole thing and then all of that. So now automated trading, we have different tools for automated trading. So automated, we have semi-automated and fully automated. How do you mean by fully automated? So automated can be where you put in, what's it called? So you put in your account and connect to a remote platform and then get engaged for a robotic entry and exit. And then you see set the parameters. Then some could be a full automated that just connect and they'll be trading for you. Now, the first thing you will not know, are there advantages? Because manual trading or manual investing is that you are going to be involved more when you are doing manual. But if you are doing automated, you are going to be involved less. No. So now, what's the advantage of manual? Number one, manual is that the advantage of manual is that it's easy to control your risk. So it's easy to control your risk. So in other words, we can say it's less risky. So people say, how? It is bad because if the things are going to go wrong, you can easily cut out or do otherwise because we are human beings, we are flexible, and we can change decision if situations are not correct. So that's one of the advantage of manual. And, so then you can manage within a space and all of that. What's the disadvantage? It's time consuming. Will I say manual is more productive? Yes, to me, manual is more productive, but sometimes less progressive because of emotion. So it's more productive because sometimes you can enter a market. Only one market can make you double an account. For instance, you are trading with $100. Now, there's a market you find a position into, and the $100 account will go to 150. or 200. That means you can do 100% within 2 days or even 1 day. But in automation, it can be slow, gradual, but can be more progressive. Yeah, I understand what I'm saying. If you understand what you are doing, it can be slow. Like there's a boat now, I was using Telegram boat. If I check it, let me see. I'm going to show you. It's risky because I don't know what if the boat just shut down. Then I'm going to lose my money. That's it. Let me look at it. Maybe I just need to connect. Wow. So let me just connect. I'm going to show you that now. I'm going to show you that now. Just a moment. I'm going to show you that. It's amazing, right? I love business because I love to be independent. So freedom is very, very important for me anyway. Okay, so let me just copy out. I'm going to show you a portal now. So it's an automated, fully automated, but it's risky. It's risky. It's more risky. Yeah, I should say that. I should say it's more risky, right? Yeah, something like that. It's more risky because if there are problems, you cannot escape it. But that's why you learn basics so that you know what to do per time. So I'm going to log in now. I'll show you one thing here. Okay, so let me log in. Sorry, just a moment. This is lovely. This is lovely. If you can pay attention, you are going to maximize opportunity space. Okay. Recording in progress. Okay, we know that. All right. So now I'm going to share a screen with you. So I'm going to share a screen with you. Share. Where are you? Share. Okay, share everything. Okay, now let's go. You can see my screen, right? Yeah, fine. You can see my screen. Now, this is a Telegram bot, right? This is a Telegram bot. Okay, so this is, see my Telegram bot. So look at this Telegram bot now. I'm sure you're seeing it. Now, first, when I saw this thing in April, I put in little money because minimum I can deposit is $20. And I don't want to, I just, okay, let me just try it. Now, and I put in $20 and it was trading. So in the month of May, so by 1 month, so 19th of May or towards 19th of May, around 17, 18 before 19th of May, it has done about 51%. So the second month, so what it has made in 2 months, so instead of that, because what came in was $19 plus, because when I'm depositing, they're going to charge me 10% of what I deposit. So what came in was $19 plus. Now, this is what happened. This thing have traded and gave me total money up to 40-something dollars, not $45, $47. That's good. Now, that means I've done more than 100% in 2 months. That's an average of 50% in a month. Now, what happened? I'm going to withdraw, so they will charge me 10% of that. That was what total withdrawal shows, $42. That means that first money, in 2 months, I've doubled it, and I withdrew to just experiment. Now, it was few days back, I think in this month, not long, I will check when it was deposited. So I asked, okay, let me now put in $100 for another experiment. So I put in $100 and I was checking it. Now, you see that when I was putting the $100, okay, it was 99 point something because I have to make it up to 110 because I wanted to make up to 100. But unfortunately, it didn't make it. It was a 99 point something. Now, within that period, let's say this 2 weeks. Let's say this is 2 weeks. I can't really say. That's your average of 2 weeks. But I want to check when I deposit that in. So now, what has happened, if you look at it, the total money there is $126. That means it has made about 26% already. So if I want to withdraw now, 10% of that money will be taken, but I don't want to withdraw. I just want to allow it. These are investment. This is automated. Okay, so now, if you look at it, if I go to, let me go to, sorry. So if I go to trading, now look at statistics. I click on statistics. Let's see 24 hours. What was their performance? Their performance the past 24 hours was about 2.35%. Now, sometime you are going to see the performance will be minus 3%. So, but because they are gradual, it's consistent and then progressive. So if you are the one, this $100, you can do it. Within 1 day, you can double it. But in another 24 hours, you may blow it. So let's look at 3 days. In 3 days, it has done average of, look at it, 1.88%. In fact, there was a very high progressive at the point, of course, at the point market was not good for them. Now, look at it. So imagine 1 day, average of 2 or 3, almost 3%. Then imagine 3 days, 1.88. Okay, 11.29 in 1 week. Okay, so if you look at it now, that's in 7 days. Now look at in 1 month. So in 1 month, so average about 54%. Can you see now? Now, so in 3 months, you may say it should be 150. You may say it should be 150 now. Yes, now. Because if it's 54 in 1 month, so you say 3 months will be 150 something, 200 and something, because there's a compounding interest that was happening. Now, I'm just trying to, now look at what they show here. They shows total deals, 6,393, and successful 3,565. Why the one that failed is 22,828. Now listen, if you are buying and selling, for you to now understand that you can't win all the trade. That's what I've come to realize, when it comes to this. So look at the statistics. Where is it? They have a chat group where they talk and all of that. So look at it, performance and interactions, please pin message and all the like. Now, I'm just showing you one example of automated. Personally saw 150 from 21 of May until today. So first 3 weeks of May must have been really good to take it to 250%. It is possible, but couldn't confirm as it was before my deposit. Okay, somebody's talking. Please read pin message or yalla yalla phone. Read pin message. $20, but $20 is too risky. Both top up balance, yada yada yada. So I was following a lot of statistics. Okay, so look at statistics. Can you see all of this one that was successful? 0.39%. Okay, another one 0.16. Now see fail, 0.17, fail, 0.17. All those ones that you see successful, that is the way they predicted market go that way. The one that shows red is failed, 0.14%. So this is how automated both. I have a lot I will show you, but it's just to show you part by part in this dimension and how you can actually help. Now, so remember I told you, I say it's risky. What is the risk involved? The risk is that some of those platforms could encounter problem and then the market disappear and you have problem. So automated trading can be gradual, slow, but can be more progressive. So for me, sometimes I sit down to learn from automation. The consistency, the measure, because it's robotic, so no hard feeling, no emotion. Oh, 130. I hope my market has not changed direction. My God. Guys, why I just have to ask this, that I hope my market have not changed direction, because I know there was a news that was coming. So, oh my goodness. So there was a news that was coming, so I felt it ought to have happened. And that was, let's look at Forest Factory. Forest Factory. I just was all like checking. I hope my market has not changed direction. Should be 130, yeah? Wow. Wow, it was bad. This is, okay, no, it was good. Employment, was bad, man. No farm payroll. Okay, so what is that? Actual greater than forecast is good, but this is lesser. Now, lesser here is good, but this is greater. Okay, less is good, but this is greater. So dollar will fall more No wonder. I could see my Euro SND, but the one that will even fly. Come on, can you see? Oh, sorry. uh, US 30 that was supposed to it will fell. US 30 fell, man, nigga. This is crazy. Come on, GBP, come on, guys. See, this is the this is the problem of news. Can you see? Although for anyone who was following my trend or to be selling Euro, GBP USD, GBP JPY, and supposed to be selling GBP Euro JPY, what anyone supposed to be buying should have been Euro SND, and which I was on. I was on this trade, and then should be buying gold, and I was on this trade, gold, and then should be buying GBP USD. Come on, that was a bombastic. So Solana has crashed. Okay, it has affected Solana. Okay, so whatever thing you want to do. Okay, so how come? How come Solana is now being affected negatively? So Euro USD supposed to be pumping. Come on! Euro USD, come on! This is massive. So that's it. That's what it is. Euro USD, that's amazing. That's amazing. A lot of money people must have made if anybody was following the trend and information. The oil supposed to be crashing and it's crashing. That's good. Oil should be crashing. That's good. That's a good crash. Okay, my trade should be nicely doing well now. I'm gonna check. This is massively massive. I'm loving this, man. So my profit to be triggered at 1.8. Okay, now let me check this chart. My profit should be triggered at 1.8 Euro SND. I think it's close to my TP1. And then my major TPs are up. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay, so this is lovely. And that is people who are trading, we always follow this kind of dimension. So BTC, why are you crashing? Okay, so this is lovely. This is super amazing. TP is close to take off. Euro, USD. Wait, I do not understand. Okay, yeah, so this point. That is super amazing, guys. So that is super, super, super amazing. That is super, super amazing. So finally, these points I've mentioned before now. This is super, super, super amazing. It's crazy to go and do all-time high. The second. But if you get rejected, that's where we're going to have a rock down of the market too on that. That's going to be amazing. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, that's one of those things talking about investing and making money, building up. So merits, investing. So like now, if it's a boat you are using and then you do not know what to do part-time, we'll have given you some loss. So market instruments, so how to invest. So you can invest in Launchpad, meme coins, low gems, low caps, primary coins. So truths and strategy or manual all of those things. The automated, we have OKES board, Bybit board, Octave, like this board I just showed us on Telegram, Qubit, Kube. Then we have these are automated investing, and then so manual strategies, both spot or futures trading, so positions, swing and day trading. Then automated sports, MEMS, future trading, Bybit, OKS, you trading. This is one of the both I'm going to be explicitly showing us how to take advantage of it. 3 commas, Trojan boat, and all of that. Then we have the market, currency markets, all of those things. Manual trading, so position swing and all of that. So you use different platforms, okay, to trade maybe XNES, different brokers. They're automated. I use economy, maybe for those of you who want to have for signals, then this tick capital boat, then the capital markets, money markets, equities or stocks, so bond, then strategies and tools manual. So we have different platform for investing. So commodity like cropping, to buy into agricultural products, oil, crude oil, gold, real estate, and all the like. Then the social capital. Right, so we have the social capital, so how to build around it, the connected. So majorly it's going to be, so 3 ways I say investing. So holding, launchpad, farming, staking, NFT. Example, we go Radium. I didn't even show us this Radium. I'm going to show you this Radium. So risky and centralized, Binance, Bybit, UBTEX, and then there's some of them which are like centralized. So I think this other one too that I was just working on too was added to it. Then spot, low gem, meme coins and airdrop farming. Okay, robotic and automated. So there are a whole lot of things you can leverage on to build your equity and resources to be what you want to achieve. Okay. Okay. So now, okay. Euro SND. Okay, you are still going well. So that is lovely. This other thing must have. Oh, profit trigger. Wow. This is amazing. So the only thing I'll do now is to move my stop loss above. So, and begin to ride the remaining journey. Come on. It's 4 hours. Come on. So I can take my profit to the all-time high here, 1.4529. Then stop loss. So 1.81966. 1.81966. Why this will be 1.85. 1.8, okay, 45. Come on, let's go. Let's go. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's how you do investing. So, other thing like another investing, like, okay, I needed to add it. So, Radium, we do investing on Radium where you can buy, so you can connect your wallet, for instance, connect Phantom wallet, and then you can do a lot of investment. Okay, so you can do a lot of investment. If I click all now, you're going to see different investment, different tokens. So you just need to learn basics on the right token you should combine and you put in there. I think somebody was telling me about how you can imagine Soul Michi, how he's making average of maybe within 3 days or 1 week, making average of about $100 on investment of $700 on radio. Now, one thing is this, these are seasonal investments and then that you want to take advantage of. So, but if you do not know what works, you can be moving around and missing out of fantastic opportunity. So imagine 200% APY and then what you could do. So now what we do is this: when you put in the portfolio and you are making money, all you need is to check, follow up, and see when things change. You change along with the change, and so that you will not be left behind. Oh my goodness, CDXY news can be sweet to trade if you understand what you are doing. But if you do not understand, you're going to be messing up the whole thing. I mean, messing up the whole thing, guys. You will mess up the whole thing. Look at Euro USD. Come on, guys. This is super, super stupendous. This is super, super stupendous. That's why I tell people basic learning is required. Don't need to rush. It may be once in a while you're able to catch into the trade rather than trying to catch into everything at all time. It doesn't work that way. That's one of the things we must understand. It doesn't work that way. So I move my stop loss now, even though I'm expecting the guy to still continue to move up to my expected destination, even higher. But the one you kill, you want to hold it and then be fine. I've taken much profit and allowed just one position to be running, and then whatever happens will be fine. And that's how you build this space and then leverage on activities happening. So TP1 on Bunk, achieve, for those of you who follow the instruction. Now, the market manipulation now is where we're going to have issues on this, because I'm sure I sent this signal to our Telegram group on private mentorship futures. Okay, here is it. Bunk. Okay, so here is Bunk. TP1, fine. We're good. It's only this now that almost, okay, this is T-Bunk. Uh-oh. So it's only this guy now that refused because they didn't allow you to achieve it. Okay, so this is lovely. So if you're following me, I think you can adjust your stop loss. Okay, just about allow it to be. But I'm sure for much number of people who are following and learning, this is how we build up investing and trading. Now, the next thing I'll show you is this boat. I quickly will just have to navigate through it because it's fantastic for all of us who are trading crypto, especially future spot. It's called UT Trading Boat. So let me open it. Okay. Think I need to, okay, I'm going to do a different training on that because time is not on our side again. So if you want to be part of this, so follow the trend on the chat box. There are links there. You can follow to register on some of those things I mentioned, and then you can maximize the opportunity in building your portfolio. So thank you very much, everyone. I'm sure we're fine, we're good, and happy new month. Let's make money together. Let's build ourselves together. And there are a whole lot of things you can make or build up opportunity to help a whole lot of people across the world and help your family. So bye for now until I come your way. Those of you who are going to be part of our training tonight, get ready. It's by 7:30 Nigerian time. Do have a nice time.